First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To maintain scene consistency, start by defining the visual identity of your project. Choose the main locations, time of day, lighting style, color palette, atmosphere, and overall cinematic look before generating your scenes. Next, create a detailed description of your primary environment. For example, if your story takes place in a futuristic city, describe the architecture, street design, lighting, weather, colors, and important background elements. Use the same core environment description whenever you return to that location. When creating a new scene, change only the elements that need to change. For example, you can change the character's action or camera position while keeping the same environment, lighting, and visual style. If your current Veo AI workflow supports reference images, use consistent reference images to help maintain important visual details. Generate your first scene and carefully review the background. Look for changes in buildings, furniture, objects, lighting, weather, and other recognizable elements. If something important changes unexpectedly, simplify your prompt and reinforce the specific details you want to preserve. You should also maintain consistent camera and lighting language. For example, if one scene has soft cinematic lighting and a realistic film appearance, avoid suddenly switching to a completely different visual style unless that change is intentional. For longer projects, keep a master scene description that you can reuse for every related shot. Generate scenes one at a time and compare them before moving to the next part of the project.